Alright people, time to get to part 2. So, this is my workbench. We're going to go right to here real quick, right? So, we need black for trucks, red for trucks, so black and red, gray and orange for motor. Now, we're going to add a forward light, white and blue, okay? So we're not going to do a rear light. So yellow, okay, which you use yellow and a common blue, but yellow and it's green, F1. I don't know what that's about, but for now, I already took the liberty to separate the two. Here they are. Now, you never cut them 100%, right? So we're going to cut them right here. Just take all that off, right? All right, that's out. Let's go back to here. And let's look at this, right? So, motor, gray and orange. Okay. All right, so looking at the instructions, it was gray, which, by the way, white, which is right here, it looks very close to gray. So gray and orange, right? They are gray and orange are motor, negative, positive. Now, I don't know which one is which. I really don't. Here's the motor, right? So, can we pull this up? I'm not even sure. I'm trying to see if I can pull these up where they stuck. Because if I can pull it up, I will pull. Yeah, hold on, put that down. We can get under that, but not. Oh, we can. All right, there's one. There it. Come on. There's the other. Just bend them temporarily, right? Hopefully it's not too much. We shall see. Now, hold on. I'm going to strip some wire and put them on them. What I do want to do, because I know this is going to sit on top, right? It's going to sit on top of the motor. I don't need wires this long, so I'm going to cut them about there. All right, so we're right back. All right, we stuck the wires through the holes, orange and gray. Now we're going to solder them. I would show you how to solder, but I need my extra hand, so we'll be right back. All right, 2 wires are in, and let's see what we got next. All right, so actually, where we're at now is we're going to cut these things, and this is very scary, I know, because we don't need this, so cut. Okay, that one's cut. And grab the next one. So because we have to solder wires to these, right? And make sure wheels are, this one's bent up more than the other one. Cut. There we go. Bend it down. Okay. Looking back here, we are black and red. Okay, I don't know how long these need to be, so we're going to make them longer. Now, there is room underneath the body. I already did actually check this out a little bit earlier. So, black and red is what we just said we needed, right? So, we're going to strip red, strip black as well. Spin them. Now, you don't need to be this long. So this is actually too long. Might fold them in half. Let's see what we'll do. If we fold it in half, because that little copper tab we just cut, what we're going to solder these to, right? So we fold that one in half. We fold this one in half. All right, that's what we got. Now, like I said, I need my hands. I will show you the end result. Hold on. All right, so I need my hands, but I do have to show you this because it does matter. I have to do these through the body. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So we have black and red, as you see right here. Okay. We do have a light to do next. I have to figure out which light am I going to use. 402, 603, and 80 something. 805. Probably going to save the 805s. Actually, I think my 805s are my yellow, and that's what I want. I don't want white in the diesel, so let me check it out, and we'll see it in a minute. All right, so looking back at this guy, right? It's going to sit up this way. This way. The front is at the round. I want the light to be where it should be. Can we get this to go through? Sorry, I keep sneaking off to watch some football. Good question. Can we get this? I cannot get it through. I can cut it, which I still might. We'll see. I can get the black wire through. I'm not going to be able to test it when we're done here, but it's kind of where I want this light to be, right here, right? So maybe we'll be fine there. Let's set this aside. Let's just set it aside. Got multiple wires connected. Light. Look at the forward light, right? And it was blue. Says white, FOF forward light. So white and blue. All right. So we need this white. We need this blue. Now, I'm going to cut them short because I'm going to tape them. All right, so white and blue. I'm going to cut blue here. And white up a little bit. Now, I do have shrink tube, and I can shrink tube. I'm not going to at the moment. Like I said, we're going to figure this out, and we'll redo it if we have to. There's the blue. It's like all my computer tech videos. I also have a channel for that. I haven't done anything in there in a while. I haven't done a lot of things. I've been super busy. I don't hide anything. I show you everything, every issue I have. I want to save the blue, the actual white, save any other colors as well. All right, so blue is common, which is going to be black. We're going to put this here and here, so I'm going to cut this one down too. Okay, right here. All right, black. We don't want these to short out, so I can't believe how small that sucker is. I'm guessing part 3, I'll show you it running. Right now we're just getting wires together and getting things going. And then you're going to say, well, I don't know if it really works. And I don't know if it works either. So, all right. Wow. These wires are not twisting together. This is ironic. All right. Struggling here. I'll hold it there for a second. My soldering iron. All right, I didn't show you any other soldering, but I will do it here. It's hot. It's hot. All right, just touch it. Help cool it down. Does it go? It did. Okay. So red is really long, right? Because there's a resistor, and it's the way I bought it. So cut this down because we're going to go to white. It's going to hold the two and solder them. Okay. Pull the solder out. Iron to cut it. The solder iron is actually from other hobbies, RC cars that I did. I think that'll work. All right, hold on. Gotta get these things twisted together. Need a little bit of flux. Flux usually helps solder flow. Got a little tub of flux over here. Just put a screwdriver into it. Nice sound. Okay. Do that. Okay. All right, that wire's on. Okay, so what we have here is definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires, which is what we said we needed. The other 2 we did not need. So now, let's see. Let's see what happens if we start to put this together, right? Pull this wire. All right. This is good. This is on this side. Hopefully you can see it. It's definitely not an easy one. I didn't choose an easy one to do. It wasn't my fault. Put this down. Gotta find my, here it is, my bag of parts. Get a pin out of here. Actually, both pins are here. Can I get them both at once? Alright. My wife just texted me. Talking about somebody trying to hack our Amazon account. So I have to jump out real quick. But there we go. One truck is on. Appears light. So. The red wire is the truck. It goes up here. Okay. I'm going to put this motor up here. Well, truck, sorry, not motor. Motor's still not there. I'm trying to fetch out the other pin. Actually, I'm not seeing. No, I already pulled it out. I didn't realize I pulled both of them out. All right, so here's the pin. Put it in here. In. There we go. That truck is on. So right now we have enough power, the power to the rails. LED motor. So let's get this guy on. Okay. This is always a tough part. Trying to figure out how to get this. Which way does this go? I did figure these will fit in a corner. Let me go to this corner. Oh my God, this is really interesting. I also want to keep these wires in the corner. Oof. Red and black, huh? Oy vey. This is not good. Alright, it's tough for me to do this while trying to watch my screen, and also, so I'm not going to focus on my screen at the moment. Let's just bend this here, bend this here, red and black. Pick this up. Because I'm not even sure I have it. I have the, this only goes one way. I don't even know I have this the right way. Okay. Actually, looks like I'm in. Okay. So, now look, see all the extra wires? I'm saying we have too much. We can lay this on a track now. We should be able to drive it and control it and get the lights going. We gotta get this taped down. We gotta cut wires shorter. So, anyway, that should be, and gotta do some hot glue on the light here. Put this where we want it. And we will get to that. I will show you all of that. What I get, and I was just be spun around, LED forward. But we will get to that, okay? But it's back to, oh crap. Nobody said nothing. So, I didn't put the gears back in here. There is 2 of these little gears right here. I'll do that on my own. I'll show you when I'm done. It actually goes through that pin. If you saw my tear down, pull that pin out. That's what held the gear in. So I'll get it all there. You get the gist. It's definitely too much wiring. We gotta clean this up. But this is part 2. It's slow. And I just dropped the motor out. That's funny. So I gotta clean up anyway, so I gotta be tearing it back apart. Anyway, thanks for watching part 2. We will see this thing run.